scholars. I hope I'm audible
Yes,
and
ma'am,
my
you're
screen
audible.
is visible. Okay.
Yes.
I welcome you all to the national level FDP on AI tools for researchers. Okay. Here we'll be discussing about artificial intelligence first. So artificial intelligence has been around for quite some time. I hope you all must have heard the term AI. Now we will be discussing about AI first, and then the tools which will be used for research. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines that are capable of doing tasks that require human intelligence, like we think and learn. So we are teaching computers also to think in the same way. So AI helps computers to do something similar. It's like studying human brains to understand and make decisions. So we will be actually doing some of the practical things as well. Hello, I'm Ashima Varghese, and I'm on a mission to train 10,000 educators, researchers, students with latest technological trends as skilled as possible, as soon as possible. So let's dive into the big concept of artificial intelligence. Now, to start with the definition part, it is explained in Oxford English Dictionary that artificial intelligence is the capacity of computers, or it is a field of study which is concerned with computers like machine to exhibit or simulate behaviors, and it's the software which will be used to perform the tasks for providing the output that require human intelligence. So as we all know about chat gpt, we are using it, and cloud AI, Gemini. There are quite a few AI tools around. Like Stable Diffusion on GitHub or Copilot, these are the examples of actually generative AI. By generative AI, because these artificial intelligence tools, they use neural networks to create new contents. So here also it can generate text, videos, and other types of data. Again, we will also be discussing about large language models, LLMs, because these are the key components of generative AI. So we will be discussing what is the tool which we will be using. I will be explaining you soon. We will be discussing about different types of tools. But here, let me tell you that in today's rapidly evolving research landscape, AI is actually revolutionizing uh, the way we conduct research, because we are focused today on AI tools for research. So it will be helping you to derive certain reviews, literature reviews, analyze data, derive certain insights, and obviously it is a cutting edge course which is actually designed to equip you. So you will be equipped with a few skills, and which will be provided by doing some application of AI tools to streamline, because we will be doing some practical as well. So first is to streamline your research workflow. We will be exploring some tools, then to analyze complex data with AI powered tools. And why you want this? Because you need to stay ahead of the curve in research innovation. So today we will be discussing these. We will be having these hands-on practice with popular tools, and discover how AI can enhance your research productivity, accuracy, and impact. So let's embark on this exciting journey and unlock the potential of AI in research. Now, this is for your reference. I've written one book, as ma'am was mentioning, Fundamentals of ChatGPT for Beginners Using AI. This is me, last one. So I have co-authored that book. If anyone wants, please let me know. Here we will be discussing some of the tools which has really revolutionized the research. The way we conducted previous research is completely different from today's scenario, because in academic and science, exploration, AI has got so many things that we can easily collaborate with. It will be a good journey and an exciting journey. Why? Because it will be reducing lots and lots of your load of work. So directly we will be jumping into the tools. In this session, I will be discussing 4 to 5 tools, that is paper guide or consensus, notebook LM, and semantic scholar and research rabbit. So these will be the tools which you will be using for the research purpose. So let's explore. First one is paper guide. I will be explaining this, then we will be doing some practical. So here, paper guide.ai. So this is considered as the research assistant, and it is one of the tool which is all-in-one workspace for researchers to conduct literature review. Okay, so depending on your domain or your topic of interest, it summarizes your findings according to your keywords and integrates with the reference manager as well. So out of so many papers, as we all know, when we are going to literature review, we have so many papers if we go and find through the keywords. But here, paper guide will be analyzing the top 10 papers. We will be just having that look in a second. Let me explain that these are actually automated searches, sorry. It will find the relevant papers and in a faster mode also. And you will get personalized recommendations and suggestions as well. So that is why I have been using paper guide. And mind it is initially the tools which I am discussing in today's session will be free of cost, but if you want to go for a premium version, you can go. Okay, so let me explain. I'll be explaining the semantic scholar later. Let me explain for this first. Okay, I'm minimizing this screen. Just a second. Okay, here in Google Chrome, I'm just closing it. The sidebar, I'm closing this sidebar. Okay, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. In Google Chrome, you just have to type paperguide.ai. For the researchers or the participants who are with me, you can just note down the link, jot down the link. You can explore this later. Why? Because if you're doing it simultaneously, it will be you will be missing something. So I want you to pay attention over here. Okay, so in this screen is very simple. Paperguide.ai. The screen is very simple. In the left hand side, you can see there are some of the icons, home, references, and history as well. And this is the screen where you have to log in through your Google Chrome, Google account, any of the Gmail account, and then you will be coming to this screen. Here it offers AI search, literature review, chat with PDF and extract data. This is a very simple tool. And here, if I ask the question of whatever topic I have, so it will be generating some of the research papers for me. For you, I have already done this because we need not waste time over here. In literature review also, if you want to have a topic of research, just put in the keywords and it will be showing you this. And chat with PDF, this is a very easy one, like other tools like chat with PDF or any other tools. It will be giving you the summary of the PDF or the questions depending on that PDF. Okay, so I'll be just going to the history, whatever I have done before. So just wait. See, here I am just referring to the summary which I did, exploring AI and blockchain and global gig economy and integration. Let's explore what it has given. So already, if I give the AI research in that, if I give the topic integration of global gig economy with artificial intelligence. So see what it has given me: analysis of top 10 papers out of 215 papers. It has analyzed in a second, and you can also use that. And here it has also given me the type of an introduction or the gist of whatever the topic has been given to it. Here, you can see the impact of AI on gig economy and enhancing it has also given me the subtopics like workers' welfare and sustainability. See, 4 to 5 topics it has given me economic implications like that, and conclusion also it has given me along with the references in the. If you scroll down, you can get the references as well. Okay, what I want to mention over here, like I will be clicking on this second one, worker welfare and sustainability. So here it has given me some of the content regarding global gig economy along with the reference. See, if I click here on this one, just I'm hovering over here, you can see it on my screen. It is the reference which is given from the paper called titled as an analytical study on navigating sustainability challenges and opportunities in the era of AI and gig economy. So how beautifully it has given me. And here the author name is given along with DOI, along with PDF, and you can chat also, and you can add it to the reference. It has also shown the abstract. So here what I mean to say, that you can have so many papers, like 10 papers it is showing. So out of 10 papers it has also given me the PDF. If I want to download, I can go to the PDF section or to DOI, that is digital object identifier, and it will be actually taking me to that paper. And you can for citation and on, you can also write the references. So for 10 papers it is done beautifully. Okay, again, AI searches this paper guide actually searches the history also, and it has been given that you can have that writer also. On the left hand side, if you can see the icon, there's a writer. If you want to have your paper or your thesis or whatever written, so you can use this also, and you can add references to this folder also. And there are the policies of referendum, that will be the paid one. But if you're using it for free, so at least 10 papers you are getting every day. What I would suggest, this is a tip given to the researchers who want to explore more and more papers, like 10 papers in a day. If you want to explore 20-50 papers, what I would suggest, you create this paper guide account through different logins. Okay, through different Gmail IDs, and then you can access per day 10 papers like that. Okay, so I hope this is understood. So this is the first tool. Now second tool which I will be exploring today, we will be exploring this. It is called a semantic scholar. Most of you must have heard about this tool. It is a free tool actually, and obviously it is AI powered tool, basically for scientific literature, but this is dedicated to the field of science basically. But the thing is, you can also jot in your area of interest or domain, so it will find the paper. It is not that it considers only the science thing. What I mean to say, that semantic scholars provides a free and AI-driven search and discovery tools and open resources for global research community. So this is the open resource you will be getting, and you will be staying up to date with at least scientific literature. So science students and technology students, you can actually vouch on that. It is increasingly usable for for scholars. With semantic scholars, researchers can find papers at a glance. This system extracts meaning and identifies connections from within the paper, then surfaces these insights to help the scholars to discover and understand. And this is actually housing over 200 million papers from all fields of science. So there are vast area or ocean which is covered over here. So we will be just going through this in a minute. Okay, so this is the URL which I want you to note down, or I will be providing in the chat also, www.semanticscholar.org. We'll be exploring this. Okay, just wait. Now, for your convenience, I've already opened this. You just go to Google Chrome and type semanticscholar.org and log in with your credentials or your Gmail ID. Okay. So this is Semantic Scholar. Wait, I will just going back. See, this is the interface which you will get at first, and here uh, you are getting the search bar. We will be typing soon. Here it is actually suggesting some of the relevant or the trending author's name and the topic, and say inflation or Roman Empire, whatever. So it is giving us some prompts to go to the latest things which are happening in research. Okay, so this is new improved and this is in beta also, but we will be going for this now. When in if in chat, if I type like AI, and you need to type, if you are typing two keywords, then you need to join this with the boolean operator and or whatever. So I will be going for AI and blockchain. Let us see how many results it is giving us. And apart from that, there are so many things which will you will be learning in this Semantic Scholar. It is different from Google Scholar, mind it. Why? Because there are certain features which are very much peculiar in this. See, it has given us about 6,500 results, okay, on AI and blockchain. Not mentioning that it is similar to Google Scholar, but it is having some features like fields of study. Out of this, if you want to have this type of fields of study, like from computer science, engineering, or business background, or environmental science, how many papers have been written, you can choose that. And you can also choose the date range, means the year or the last 5 years, last 10 years, what are the trending or previous publication trends. You can also check that. And one of the important features which I like the most is that it has PDF, means if you click on this, then you will be getting the papers. Like I will click, you will be getting the papers only those which are having PDFs. Here you can have PDF, here you are having PDF and all. So what I mean to say, here the results are less. We were having 6,500 like, but here we are having 3,800. But sure short, we are having this PDF feature because we need to download this PDF as well. Again, if I click on this author, if you have a particular author or a prominent author, or the most prolific authors, you can go for that. Or for a particular journal or conference paper, if you need to have, you can go for that. And then you can clear your search. I will be showing you some one paper. Okay, see, this is the paper. The second one, metaverse in healthcare integrated with explainable AI and blockchain. Now, what I want you to notice is here, the apart from authors and all, this from where it belongs to. It belongs to medicine and computer science. Okay, and it is actually referring to Italian National Conference on Sensors. So it was published on this date, that is given. Now TLDR is also given. Again, you can go through that. You can expand it also. What I want you to notice is the citation. Here it is in single quote. If you hover on that, so it has received 109 citations. And mind it, here only it is showing how many citations, year by citations it has received, this paper has received. So maximum, if you hover on this, you will see that in the year 2024, 49 citations have been received. So this is wonderful, which I like the most, because the highest the citation is, the highest will be the paper quality and the reference which others have been given. So you can also vouch on that. So this is the good thing. Again, we have clicked on has PDF, so it will be getting us the PDF also, because in references or citations, we need the PDF part as well. So PDF, you can download, you can save, and you can cite this also. So this is a wonderful feature of Semantic Scholar. Again, what I want you to know, I'm just going back. So we have 6,400 results. Here on the right hand side, you can get the drop down. We have sorted by reference. Now I want you to notice that we can also we can also sort by citation count, or we can have this sort by most influential paper. Because see, whenever we are searching the literature review and we type the keywords in Google Scholar as well, we are getting thousands of papers. But what we need, quality. So if we are getting here variety of most influential papers, so that will be solving our loads and loads of burden. So that is the beauty of using artificial intelligence. See, if I click on most influential papers, so it will be giving me another set of papers, and citing from the citation part here, this paper, AI and blockchain, a disruptive integration. This paper has received 202 citations. So obviously it is going to be the most influential paper, and the authors are also prolific. They have cited so many times, 202 times, and here we can get 52 citations in 2021 during COVID. So what I mean to say, and it is published by IEEE. So this is a scientific paper. It is of much importance. We can cite it also and download it as a PDF. PDF is available. We can always click here and download the PDF. Okay. So what I want you to know, that you must use Semantic Scholar, because it is very easy to use and it is free of cost right now. So if you go for that, it will be very beneficial, because you are using this most influential, and you can get the top relevant searches also. Okay. Now moving back to our PPT, here we will be using another tool. This is called consensus. I hope everyone has been using consensus, or you're not using, I don't know. Just a minute. Now, consensus, as the word suggests, consensus means your consent, or your thinking or decisive power or wisdom of the crowd, or as it is said, wisdom of the crowd powered by AI. Consensus means your agreement or your disagreement, your will. So actually, this tool is deriving an expert agreement from the scientific papers. See, it is having three main features. You can extract consensus, you can synthesize, and you can identify the disagreement, or in maybe agreement or disagreement. So real-time data visualization is also there. Consensus actually is having so many different type of features. It is LLM, large language model. Okay, it has developed proprietary and task dedicated LLM. Okay, while also leveraging the best in class models from OpenAI. What I'm saying is, consensus actually gives or generates AI insights. Okay. Now the second feature of consensus is that it is a search engine. What do you mean by that? Actually, purpose built academic search. It has got the functionality of understanding, organizing, and utilizing the quality attributes of paper. Okay. By search engine, as you know, that Google is also a search engine. Okay. And there are many search engines, but consensus offer the most comprehensive search engine filters. Like any of the filters, if you use filter by, say, sample size, or say design, study design, or research methodology, or open access, or human, or whatever type of study. So consensus is an academic search engine which is powered by AI. So that it is actually utilized by so many universities, all over the world. Over 5,000 universities are already using this consensus for research. So they are actually, why? Because they are partnering with like other libraries, university libraries worldwide, the labs, and the provision for best academic research tool to students for faculty. So they are the universities are also providing this to the faculties or students to conduct research. Okay, so also one of the feature of this is this tool annotates insights about research papers using AI. So it produces study snapshots to condense lengthy research papers by mentioning study aims, variables, and findings. So instead of we typing that what is the main gist of this or summarize this paper, it is only providing us the study snapshots, means what were the main objective of the paper, what objectives, main variables, and the findings. So this platform also provides credible responses backed by academic papers to the queries. If you want to have the support or the contrast of the queries, whatever objectives you have, this is providing all, and very much beneficial for researchers and PhD scholars. Why? Because it helps the students to conduct effective research powered by AI. Now, when I say this, because it has got some collaboration with other libraries and online libraries or universities, students are actually getting much of the effective results from that. And AI is this type of AI is also connected to science. Not only I'm saying that it will be finding you the science and technology paper, STEM papers, or it is actually having the area where you can have your domain keywords, and then you can find the papers as well. Now, when I say about consensus meter, I'll be showing this in a minute. Consensus meter, that is in percentage. What is meant by that? It has got the meter like consensus, like I already told you, that means your agreement or disagreement. So it will be giving an answer to your prompt or your question. Okay, we'll be doing this in practical. Okay, so in percentage it will be doing this. It will say yes in percentage, or no, or it may be possible or not. So depending on your keyword, the core search, it will be giving you certain percentage of the consent. Okay, now here searching through literature actually is a part of research and learning. However, it is very time consuming and tedious. But what I mean to say that you can use AI tools, but these are just your assistants. Okay, it will, and these will never, AI tools will never replace human understanding. Why? Because you can treat this as your assistant to help you to get the results or review faster. Okay, but always be intuitive or comprehensive to write your own paper. Okay, now with that being said, let us go back to the Google Chrome, and let's see what consensus is all about. Now, here you need to type consensus, mind the spelling, consensus. Okay, consensus.app or consensus.ai. Okay, here you will be just getting this type of interface. You can log in. You can try this tool for free. As for now, it is free, so you can always explore this. Again, what I mean to say, that earlier ChatGPT and other tools were free to use. Now they are posing some premium charges also. So as long as it is free to use, you can use it for your research purpose. Okay, here in the search bar also you can see the AI search engine for research. This is specially dedicated search engine for research. So what you need to do, you need to type whatever is the relevance or the paper type or the what I should say, the area of interest or your keywords you need to type. Again, here it is giving some prompt. By because, and these prompts, if you read these prompts, you will find that these are in the question form. Does exercise improve cognition? Are statins effective in the elderly? Can mindfulness help sleep? What I mean to say, these are in the format of a question. So you need to draft your query in the form of a question, and then consensus will decide according to consensus meter that the question which you have provided, how much is the answer, whether it is yes in percentage, no in percentage, or possible in percentage. Here also, you will be, if you scroll down, you will be watching some video regarding this. You can watch it. Scholars who are jotting down, please jot down this consensus.app or consensus.ai, and you can always go down and see how to use consensus. Again, this is powered by world's top institutes. These are the researchers which are using this. You can see McKinsey and Company and Harvard University, Michigan, Stanford, Virginia, University of Virginia, and all. So consensus is a very good tool. Now we will jump directly to the application part. When I say this, I have already typed to save time, like a topic of titled as attrition of IT industry employees, latest and relevant research papers, like that. I've already typed this. Okay, research papers. I need this type of papers. When I search on that, when I click on that, see the result which we will be getting. Okay. Now on the left hand side, you can see find the best papers, academic research papers, and it has got over 200 million papers along with the analysis part and the answers. Okay. Now in this, you can always use here, depending on my topic, it has given me the latest references which are relevant to the topic. Here, employee attrition. Here, it has also given me the area of research and the demographics also. Because in if we type our topic, what happens generally in Google Scholar or various other searches, like I mentioned before, they are giving us global paper. But when I say consensus, so depending on my demographic, like we are staying in India, I'm from Maharashtra. So what it is suggesting me, the studies which have been conducted in this demographic, okay, or in India, Puducherry and Chennai and everything like that. So from India, how many papers we have, we will be getting this type of insight. So many types, there are specific things. You can also go over here and get the result, like paper path. Okay. So here also you will be getting this download button is also there, and the references they are mentioning. What just if you want to scroll down, if you scroll down, see this is the thing which I was talking about, consensus meter. So depending on our topic, it has already designed these 2-3 questions. Okay, the first question is, does employee engagement reduce attrition rates in IT? So according to consensus meter, it will be giving us the idea. And let us see. Okay, we need to sign first. Okay. So what you can do, you can sign in from your Google account or Gmail ID, and then you will find this type of consensus meter. It will be giving you answer in yes, no, and possible or not. Okay, so what I mean to say that this is a very beautiful tool. You can try it for sure, and if you have any queries, you can always ask me. Okay, so that we will be going back to our PPT. Now, another tool which I want you to go through is Notebook LM. Notebook LM is a very powerful tool. It creates an AI-powered research workspace. You can upload the documents or PDF and notes. Also, you can. It is Notebook LM is actually note-taking tool, and the best part is that it is having a podcast. It is auto-generated on your inputs or your resources. You will be hearing two voices. You can download that audio as well, and one is a host, and another one will be an expert, and you can actually use it for your solving the questions or collaborating also. So you will be first uploading the document, summarizing, and you will be getting the outline as well. So we'll not be discussing this much because I've already discussed this earlier. Notebook LM, you can always try Notebook LM and try to search it on Google. You will be getting this tool. This is very easy to use and free of cost till now. Okay. Now another tool which I want you to notice is Research Rabbit. This is also dedicated tools for the researchers. Okay. Just a second. Now, when I say Research Rabbit, it will be helping you to visualize the web of knowledge. What I mean by that, that if you have certain citations, or previously we have seen so many citations, 6,000, 8,000, like that papers were there, and if you have that network or citation network, from network I mean like a visualization network which will be exploring the key indicators or the most prolific authors or the influential journal, like that. It will have citation networks. So Research Rabbit will be your helping you doing that. And then secondly, it will be creating you it will be helping you to evolve ideas depending on your domain. It will be suggesting you different new ideas and key influencers who were the main or the most prolific authors who have written the things on your domain. So this is the URL for researchrabbit.ai, https://www.researchrabbit.ai. If you want, you can jot down this. Okay. And here, Research Rabbit is having some of the key or papers, some of the features which I want you to note down, or just pay attention that it will be analyzing your research depending on your key papers. So you need to first identify the model papers of your domain. Say if you are saying sustainable development goals, if it is your domain, say the STD 9, SDG 9, that is industry innovation and in embeddedness. Like if you are analyzing these key papers, you need to download your model papers and then upload in Research Rabbit. So what it will do, it will be connecting or creating a network of papers similar to this. Then you need to Spotify your papers, like just like how Spotify works. You will be doing this with your papers, and again it will be producing interactive visualization. We'll be going this and doing this. Now you will be getting network of references as well. Again, no, if you want to have your own folder or your own preferences, you can always personalize this or customize this, and then you can share or collaborate the collections with others as well. So again, we will be going to Google Scholar and typing researchrabbit.ai. Here, this is the interface, researchrabbit.ai. See, you can see this mosaic rabbit over here on the top left hand corner. What I want you to know that so far till now it is free. You can log in with your Google account and just go and explore. Okay. When I say this here you will be exploring these type of things. Like this is the video. If you want, you can always expand this and watch how these citation, depending on your criteria I will be just showing you. Depending on your research, your paper or your topic, it will be finding the most prolific authors or the most important or previous past trending topics. It will be finding and how much the uh, collaboration is being done. Again, you can visualize papers from your domain depending on graphic design and illustration. Just like bibliometric analysis, this is also helping you to find out the networks. Okay, you can discover author networks, means how many papers or paper authors were there, and what type of collaboration they are making worldwide. Okay, with different bibliometric coupling or coupling with other countries or other author networks or citation networks. Likewise you are doing, and then you can always share your collections or collaborate with other people as well. So this is the very good tool, and you can do that. Just I will be telling you how to Spotify the paper. This is written already, but you can, if you do on your own, you will be getting more idea. Like you can add papers, like a model paper you can add. You can add by search or the earlier work or later work, whatever, and the suggestions it is giving you to improve this. And these are the personalized ones. So latest you can do that. So Research Rabbit is an interactive or innovative citation based literature mapping tool. Okay, so here you will be getting this type of interactive visualization, okay, of paper, of co-authorship, of the graph which is used. So this looks very beautiful. You can actually optimize your time for searching the references and plan this literature review. And this concept is very simple. You just start by using one or more papers. These are called model paper or seed papers, which I was telling you. These are called model papers or seed papers. Just a minute, I will just sign up here. Uh, Let us see. Just wait. Okay. See, here what I want you to know, that in new collection, you or here also you can add one paper. See, I have added one paper, the intersection of AI and cyber security and challenges and opportunities. So I have added only one paper. I will be adding more. Yes, just by adding the or the new collection, new category, you can add this. And here it is actually giving references using Zotero. So if you want to use Zotero using this, you can do that. And some of the features are actually enabled. Here in the left right hand side, you can find the settings and survey and all. What I will be doing, I'll be adding one more paper of or the seed paper, which I told you that you need to add the seed paper or the basic paper or the model paper which you consider the most influential paper, and this app will help you to find more such relevant papers on the topic of interest. Okay, so this is dedicated by the seed papers you previously selected. So we need to select. So this tool is designed to support your research without you switching between the searching modes and databases. So this process is actually very time consuming, because if you are searching or doing citation mining, so even if we are not getting the relevant result, which are unpleasant result, like it is like a rabbit hole. So this is the name, or this is the thing which has inspired the name Research Rabbit. So reference manager, I told you, like Zotero and Mendeley. Let us add one more paper. See, we can add the paper by title, or what is the time? Okay, we have 15 minutes. We can add the paper by title or DOI or the PMID or whatever. So what I will be doing, just I will be paper in cyber security. Just wait. Inside. Yes, I have. Okay, so this is the model paper which I have added. Again, second model paper is AI and cybersecurity. I will be just adding the title of this Yes, right. I've gone through this paper. This is the paper which is published in elsewhere. Okay. I will just copying this title of the paper. I hope my screen is visible and all are with me. Okay. And I will be just pasting that title. We can also add a DOI or PMID or keyword, whatever, but I have the title. This is from elsewhere. This is a very good journal, as you all know, Scopus journal elsewhere, and I will be adding that. So let us see. So it has started searching. See, it has already um selected this. So artificial intelligence for security, literature review, and future research direction. Information fusion. This is by two of the authors, and this is the abstract, which is written introduction abstract and frontiers in big data. It has been written. So what we will be doing, we will be adding this to the collection. I am adding this to the collection. It is showing me that it has added. Okay. Now after this, see the authors and the suggested authors. First we have added this intersection, now we have added this, we can add more as well. So what after doing this similar works, if I see similar works or the if the works are conducted by these authors or suggested authors, we can also go for that. Now if I go for that, let us see what suggestion it is giving. See, can you see this? This is so beautiful. Can you see this? We have added only two seed papers, and now depending on this, it has given us similar works like references. It has also given us, but in this format. Like if we hover on this on 2001, in 2016, 17, or 18, this is the beauty of this research rabbit, that it is giving us the visualization or the mention of all the previous threads which has been published in this area, and along with the author's name and the year. Though I feel this very attractive, and if I hover on this, I can get the paper. In the left hand side, I can get the paper, and if I hover on this, I can get, these are the list of the papers, or 183 papers it has suggested on our topic. We have only added two model papers. So now the authors also suggestions are there. You can see this at the right hand side. These authors means the collective authors. It has jotted as 382, and suggested authors also 785. See how easy our literature review work and the work for our citation or the research is. So you must go and explore this. This is free of cost. You can always go and get this graph, network, timeline, and labels. See, connection between your collection and 50 papers. It is showing this. So isn't it beautiful? Very nice. I find it very nice. And if you want to have comments or the abstract part, you can filter this by relevance. So these authors are there, latest work is there, or similar work is there, earlier work is also there. Earlier work, later work, it is showing as 0, but similar work it is showing as 183. So this is an awesome tool which you will be getting the idea about your paper, and you can click and you can get the things done. See, if I click here or anywhere, so what these are the papers. These are the papers. If I click here, artificial intelligence and law, stepping stones to model of legal reasoning. So this is highlighted in yellow, and it will be showing me the Yale Law Journal. Okay, so based on blockchain based intrusion, it will be showing that it has been just published in the year 2022 in computer and electrical engineering. So this was the main idea behind Research Rabbit. I hope you like this tool, and I want you to go through this tool in detail, explore it and use it, and just try to collaborate with others as well. You can also get the export papers in BibTeX, RIS, and CSV, that is comma separated values files also. So as long as this is free, just make use of that. Okay. So coming back to our PPT, this was the last tool which I wanted you all to explore. See, this is the interactive visualization which we have seen, the papers along with the graph and jumping points to dive in. This is the very good tool. Now is the time for comparison of tools. Means if you are actually doubtful or skeptical what tool to use or which will be the right one, you can always compare. See, we have discussed to five tools here in this session. So which tool is actually useful to you? It depends on various things. Uh, when I say paper guide, it is actually based for literature review, survey, consensus like disagreement or agreement, that will be used for data analysis also. Notebook ln is note taking tool. You can summarize, you can upload the papers, get the summary or get the audio or the interaction like podcast and all. And research rabbit, actually it is focusing on the trend identification or depending on your topic. So the tools are actually based on your requirement and the pricing also. The accessibility is limited in the free version. So if you are well versed with the tools, go and practice first, and before that make sure that it is free of cost so you can get the things done. If you are okay, then only go for the paid version. Okay, now just a minute. Okay, now when I say this, let us see how, if we are working as a scholar, the tools are considered as your partners. Now, AI tools are an inevitable part. It is mandatory nowadays for students to go and search for such tools because these tools are your assistant. These will be actually helping you to experiment, to explore new things quickly to be done, and just to enhance your productivity. You need to work smarter with AI. Not just like you are getting some insights from AI, you are just using it and copy pasting it. No. Why? Because nowadays research papers, if you are publishing using AI, what the journals or editors are doing, they are asking for AI content also. The report should actually contain less AI content, less than 10 to 15%, just like plagiarism. AI content should be less. So what you can do, you can humanize the text. If you are depending on AI, use it smartly. Okay, you can humanize the text, paraphrase it 2 3 times, and then only mention it in your paper with the citations. Okay, but these tools are actually helping you to discover new connections or new innovations. So it will actually accelerate the process. Earlier, the research writing or the paper writing used to take at least 2 to 5 months to write the paper. But now with the help of AI, the process is very simple and accelerating. Okay. So lastly, when I say about the future of AI in research, mind it, AI is having this speculation that it may drive hypothesis generation and automated experimentation. So for science students, basically the experiments which you are conducting in the lab or the field, whatever. So here AI will be helping you to do that. And hypothesis generation to testing also, it can be done easily with the help of AI. But you should be actually considering all the ethics, and you should go ethically regarding this. Over uh, don't be over dependent on AI. Use your intelligence as well as your common sense, because you need to have transparency, you need to have authenticity and honesty, because your research will be considered worldwide. Later also, if you have published one paper, it will be considered in various journal, it will be referred. So always be relevant and authentic to your paper, because AI is obviously, it is the future of research, and the market for AI in research will reach $3.1 billion by 2027. In 2 years, it will be reaching. So it is your duty to consider the ethical part of AI, because you should not be misusing it, or you should not be keeping the biases. Uh, you should actually stay away from all the unethical problems. Okay, so basically considering these things in your paper or your research will be very much helpful. So with that being said, thank you so much for the session. And if you have any questions, you can ask me, and you can find me at this mail.